Okay, so what I'm going to do here is look at the login page. So the login page essentially is going to be here. Now that I've registered, I'm going to log in. So if you remember, I had this fantastically strong password as password 1234. I log in, and then it redirects me back to the index page. Now, let's have a look at how that happened. I've got a login page and I've got a login connect. The login connect is just simply connecting to the database in a separate file. This one here goes through, checks if the password is correct, and it will obviously tell you like if there's a problem, but essentially if you wanted to redirect here, I'm going to redirect to the location of index.php if this login is successful. So if everything is successful, the username, the user ID is correct, then it will just take you back to the index page. Okay. Now the problem is with that is currently the index page is still viewable to everybody. So any Joe blogs can edit and delete products, and we want to sort that out. So in the next video, I'll show you how you block normal users who haven't got a login from editing or deleting products. Okay.